What's up, YouTube? It's Eli, and I'm coming to you guys again with another video today. I'm gonna just get straight to the point. A few days ago, I was just scrolling through Instagram and I seen this like post or this like kind of video, and it was like waivers know the struggle. So when I clicked on the video, it was like waivers know the struggle of waking up without a do-rag. And then I sat there, I'm like, what? I've been waving on and off for 3 years. I started waving back in 2017 when I cut my hair. And not one time, I could put my right hand on the Bible, not one time have I woken up without a do-rag. And before I get into the video, you guys, slowly but surely. So first, guys, and you want to get a silky do-rag. None of that polyester bullcrap. The velvet do-rags, they're okay for, like stylish do-rags, but not as an everyday use to sleep in. I don't really like rock with velvet do-rag. But on an everyday use, good do-rag, you want to get a silky do-rag. You always want to tie your do-rag with the seam out. You line up the seam in the middle, and remember, you want this side on the outside, because if you put this on the inside, you'll get a line in your forehead. And trust me, you don't want that. So you bring it above your eyebrows, and then you take the two strings, you can bring them like this. See? See how straight it is? Then what you do is you go in the back. Very simple. Just go in the back and you switch hands. Very simple. And what I like to do is take this one, I'll put it here, I bite it, and I take both hands and I'll bring this one around and line it up. And then you take this one out your mouth, bring it over, and you also just line it up. And then what you do after that, all you do is you just make a simple knot. Boom, boom, boom. And after you do that, as you can see, if you know, like right here, you see how it's a lot of space? You just pull it down. And that is how you tie a do-rag the regular way. If you're like me and you like don't like the strings or the flaps hanging around, and what you want to do is tie your do-rag this way. So what you do is you repeat the same thing. Put the do-rag on your head, with the inseam out, line it up in the middle, bring it right above your eyebrows. You go in the back, take the strings and just switch hands. Take this one, you can bring it down. You could either rest it on your shoulder or put it in your mouth. I like to just put it in my mouth. Pause. And then take the strings, line it up, and wrap it around your head. Take the string and wrap it around your head. Then go in the back again and just tie a simple knot. Remember to pull it down. If you don't like the strings or the flap, and this is what I do, I take the string and I bring it around and I tuck it in. I just tuck it in my durag and I go around like this. That's how you tuck in the string. Now the flap, I also don't like the flap hanging around, so what I normally do is I take the flap, I do about 2 or 3 rolls like this, and then I go like this, tie it up, and simple. This way, you know, you could walk around, you could do whatever you're doing in the house, and you don't have to worry about no strings or flap, you know, like just hanging around on your neck. If you guys do this, you will feel, and it adds like just a slight little bit more compression on your head. If you're woofing and you want a little bit extra compression, let me show you what to do. Just take your durag, tie it the same way I told you, right above your eyebrows. Take this in the back and you switch hands. Hold this one. You bring this across, just like this. Bring this across. You go in the back and just tie a simple knot. Nothing too crazy. And remember to pull it down so you get a little bit more compression. And what you could do is, if you have a stocking cap or a boo-boo cap, whatever, you just put that on top. But what I noticed is if you just put it on top and you bring it like down here, and you might wake up with a line on your head. So what I like to do is I like to just make sure it's real tight so I could get some extra compression. And what I sometimes do is like I just like brittle right here, like right above my hairline, or right below my hairline, I mean. And I put it like this. This way it adds extra compression. I sleep with it on, wake up, it don't fall off. And also, if you guys still want, you can still tie up your thing. And this way you don't have, and this way you guys, you have a lot of extra compression. This is how I rack up on a regular. If I'm woofing, I don't like to triple compress, I only double compress. I don't use 2 durags. I only use 1 durag and a stocking cap. I think 2 durags is kind of weird and it's just pointless. Just put a durag on and slap a stocking cap on top. Alright you guys, and that is the end of the video, and I showed you guys a few ways to tie your durag. And I hope you guys found this helpful, and I hope that you don't wake up without a durag again. But if you like this durag or any other durags you've seen, you know, you can always get this at swagrag.com. Coupon code Elite Eli for 15% off. I'll leave that in my description as always. And I hope you guys found this helpful, and I hope that you don't wake up without a durag again. And as always, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. And yeah guys, until next time.